In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a multi-window source for the Userful Video Wall. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to click New Source, you want to go to Select, then you want to look for Multi-Window, then you want to give it a name. So we'll just call it Userful. So now under Sources, we'll need to add a source. So we'll say Linux Desktop, and in this instance, since we only have the one source, we'll just add multiple instances of the Userful Desktop or the Linux Desktop. We'll say 4 in all. Okay, rows will be 2, columns will 2, because this will just be a 4x4 grid, or 2x2 grid, excuse me, and then click OK. Now, you'll notice it will appear down here. Drag the appropriate screen down here, hit apply. That should conclude today's video. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please visit support.userful.com. Thank you.